Saladin here from Love Life Yarn, and today I'm going to be showing you how to turn a simple knitted square into a cute little tree that you can use for an ornament or as like a gift topper or just some decor. So you can see this one uses a more intricate woven basket stitch. I'll link to the post below, which has a video in there for you to see this particular stitch, but you can use this technique with any square. So just knit up even garter stitch or anything and use the same technique to sew it together. And so I'm just going to show you how to stitch this up so that you can make a little tree out of a square. Are you ready? Let's get started. All right, so we have our square here. First, let's turn it over to the back and fold in the sides leading up to one corner. Get both of them even. And now I'm gonna use the mattress stitch. You can also use a whip stitch. So I'm just going to grab one of the stitches on my left side, pull it through, come across to the right side, and pull it through over on this side. And I'm just going to work back and forth. So pick up and grab a stitch, pull your needle through, making sure not to grab the top of your tree. There we go. And now the right side. So you just work back and forth all the way down to the end of this seam. Okay, so what it should look like when you're done. Got a seam back here. And you can see just where I've gone back and forth. The back isn't necessarily super pretty. I'm going to fold this up and seam it. As you can see here, it kind of lines up. So I'm going to stitch both of these together using the same method. So you just whip stitch or mattress stitch there. Okay, so here's my finished square, and you can see you can put little buttons on there to be ornaments. I've actually got a bigger one here to be like the top. These are just some fun buttons that I had in my stash of buttons, and so I grabbed those out. But you could put anything like that you want on there, and then you can sew them on or hot glue them. So you can see you can put a trunk down here if you want to pick up some stitches. Here's my back, and mine obviously it's not super neat. You could make it a little straighter. I'd probably work on that if I was gifting this one, but it's for now, for this demonstration, I'm going to go with it. And then so you can see where I would put my quote-unquote ornaments on, which I said I think these were really fun. So I'm going to glue these on mine, and so that I have some little ornaments and the little topper, because I have one that's a little bit bigger. Like I said, so I'll put that on the top, and that will be my tree.